say Ocean Coma, Dr. Nsia Asai, and ranking member, Governor Minta Kando, Honorable Abedia. We have a big problem. Dede Bibri has nothing to do with the projects now. It's about power play and matters of, on my back, BBB. On my BBB, you cannot describe it. On my BBB, and I'm finding it difficult to understand what has happened this morning. And MPP, yes, Remo. Yes, money may be now, more money now. Money careful so. Because OBTH, Obi raising issues, a very suspicion about relationship between Dr. Nsiasai and the Ministry of Health and the Minister. So what I say. And Twasumu say, me na meko Parliament. Akuyi in Semano, na obi na beba,
yeah.
And young one wants to say, a mampenye ni swadi hunu we do person man adagye sonko na otimi ehwese dwumedina e bedino ano anania asene ne hunu ese no obetimi hu de ekono but bibia ye bia no yere nyomadi agoro na amanyo sema be frafra na asai bibia nwan so say sika no so no akorabena minta kando kan wasem no Dr. Nsiasai intimi emfa no yi no emayi but we follow up because biribia da aban bia wo so a ye de kwadu bo na odinkunim okona hu giem as in opposition a sa kwadu nyina eyiba abontin a bo se nyina ye no kore but the MPP should be careful because omoka say omoba be protected the public purse. Omoka say one of the major reasons that why we should push away the NDC is the fight against corruption. But I don't know, politicians, it's becoming tricky now. Very dicey. Who to trust, who to believe.
But I know you know, Mampanisha Anti-Corruption Coalition, the fight against corruption is on course. No, for corruption.
Is it on course? Is it on course? No, but is it on course?
No, Kabna.
When we are fighting corruption, is it on course? NDC say they were fighting corruption. Was it on course? Aban we so fighting corruption. Is it on course?
Abani twana mombia. Say any project.
You shouldn't be doing this. Who can secretary project? A book making kana. Is that what you think? That Obana do no for na abetonyum na ko say ye kukata project. All of us, we have fallen short of that fight against Ketasheni project. We should ignore it. And now be a major priority be. Whether NDC or MPP, it's not their priority again. Because in the full glare of what is happening, the fight against corruption by all governments, as we speak up to this morning, especially this government in power, is horrible. If this is what they claim they are fighting against corruption, even hospitals are set up here, confusion around it. Oh, they shouldn't let us feel hopeless like that. Sometimes when you wake up, there's too much Ghana burden on you. And you're asking yourself, Yeko Benkum and I could nifa. I didn't nipa, yes, your Mumbejina Ghana, name no more Ghana, Nipa Dudonano, or Mutu your Meji Jameса. It's so painful. It's so painful.